I hope this video helps. Please check out the playlist: Evidence for Christianity, Evidence for the Bible, End Times, and the Book of Revelation. I'll leave links in the description for all four. Enjoy. Nope. Key fob battery is dead on the 2009 Chevy Malibu. So my weapon of choice is this tiny flathead screwdriver. I'm just going to go to the key fob here, and where it connects the two pieces of plastic, stick the screwdriver in there and twist to get it to start to pop up. There it goes. There we go. So now let's get a new battery in. Pull, oh, this is full of some nasty stuff. I'll clean it out. So go ahead and remove this part. There's your battery. This thing just slides out. Get your little flathead in there. Oop. Uh-oh, lost it. So this one is the CR2032. I'll leave an Amazon link in the description for this. I am an Amazon associate, so I do earn from any qualifying purchases when using my link. Right now, the Duracell's 50% off. It looked like it had gotten some stuff down inside of it. I'm going to do deep cleaning on it with some isopropyl alcohol and Q-tips and a toothbrush. Now when using a toothbrush, you could fling isopropyl alcohol into your eye, so make sure you're wearing safety glasses. Alright, it's all cleaned up real good. I'm going to dry off what is left. So I also found the lead to this side of the battery holder is broke off, so it kind of pops up there. So I got the solder joint all done up nice, and I touched up the other two so that we would make sure that if there was any bad connections about to be made on those, that wouldn't happen, just like the other remote, which all of the pads were had broken solder joints. So now that I have it all soldered up, just going to use my alcohol swab here to clean off the leftover flux from soldering, and then I will try it again. So before I put the battery back in, I want to make sure that these connections are going to be good, so I'm going to squeeze it together some on those and push down on this to make sure that it is pushing down on the battery hard enough to make a connection on the pad down there. So make sure that it makes a nice tight fit when you put the battery in, and it's not loose, no gap down there. So it looks like it's all good. If you want to support my channel, leave a super thanks below, or you can join Robinhood through a link that I'll leave in the description, and we'll both get a free stock. Or you can purchase this product through a link that I'll leave in the description. I'll get a little commission. Continue watching. Alright, let's put it back together and see if that works now. If you get any burrs on the outside, you can just scrape them off. If you find any way to do this without getting burrs, let me know. Let's go test it out. Hopefully this works. Oh, sweet, it does. All right. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. And if you want to connect with me, I have a public group on MeWe called Share Your Trade. And I got an Instagram. I'll leave links in the description for both of those. Thanks for watching.